VAYU House by the Grid Architects in Nagpur, India. Introduction and Design Concept. VAYU House, a unique architectural residence situated on a compact corner plot facing southwest, revolves around effectively addressing the challenges and stands as a testament to innovative principles aimed at meeting the diverse needs of a multi-generational family. The abode, conceived with a vertical approach, optimizes the available space with a particular focus on the element of VAYU, representing air or wind in Hindu philosophy while responding to the environmental and cultural context of the region. The emphasis on VAYU underscores a commitment to establishing a harmonious living setting that respects architecture and functionality equally. Solid and void architecture. The box-like architectural form is a direct response to the constraints of the plot's size and its south-facing orientation. This choice minimizes openings on the south side to mitigate excessive sunlight exposure, while recessed openings on the west side allow filtered sunlight and controlled airflow. The resultant structure establishes a visual coherence that complements the natural surroundings. This thoughtful architecture and the integration of solids and voids in the form of courtyards and balconies create a dynamic interplay, allowing for functional voids that enhance air circulation and sunlight penetration, generating an environment that feels open, airy, and harmonious with its environment. The incorporation of wooden screens in the exterior facade, strategically placed in the southwest, serves functional and aesthetic purposes, controlling light exposure and ensuring privacy. These screens align with a biophilic approach, fostering a connection with nature and enhancing occupants' well-being. The facade prioritizes the optimization of natural light and ventilation, featuring recessed windows and balconies. Spatial planning. The home is sensitively organized to cater to various needs and preferences. The ground floor hosts common areas, including a visitor's lounge, servant rooms, and general facilities. Multiple entry points, including a regular entry for vehicles, pedestrian access, and a dedicated entrance for visitors, ensure seamless connectivity. The introduction of elevators facilitates vertical movement, enhancing accessibility to different levels of the residence. The subsequent levels exhibit considerate spatial organization. The first floor serves as a semi-private zone, housing formal living, family living, daybed, dining, kitchen, and utility. On the second and third levels, private zones unfold, featuring bedrooms designed for both children and adults, thus providing ample space for privacy when desired, with meticulous arrangements to accommodate a diverse range of extracurricular activities. The result is a dynamic and versatile living environment, seamlessly blending personal retreats with communal ones. Green spaces and courtyards. In response to the vertical design, each floor incorporates small gardens and courtyards. These green spaces contribute not only to the visual appeal of each level but also play a crucial role in maintaining indoor air quality. The integration of carefully selected plants aligns with principles of sustainability, creating a refreshing and nature-infused atmosphere throughout the residence. Climate-responsive design. Nagpur, situated in the western region of India, experiences predominantly hot weather. The planning takes this climatic reality into consideration, aiming to provide a comfortable living environment year-round. The inclusion of small gardens on each floor, along with well-planned landscaping, assists in temperature regulation, ensuring that the indoors remain pleasant even during the hotter months, enhancing energy efficiency. The fourth floor is dedicated to a terraced oasis fashioned with meticulous landscaping. The terrace provides ambience for relaxation and social gatherings, extending the indoor living to the outdoors and also offering panoramic views of the surroundings. It stands as an apex element in the form composition. The house transcends the conventional definition of a dwelling. It is an architectural narrative that skillfully weaves together aesthetics, efficiency, and environmental responsiveness. The designers have created a dwelling that goes beyond mere shelter. The home stands as a testament to the synergy between thoughtful design, cultural sensitivity, and a commitment to crafting spaces that significantly enhance the quality of life for its diverse occupants.